what's up? This is Blaze the movie fan, and unfortunately for my YouTube channel bit the dust. Thousands of videos disappeared forever. That includes all of my spoiler-free movie reviews, which didn't include skits. I'm gonna remake 2 of those reviews. One of them is Minecraft, and tomorrow it's A Working Man. Both which will be on my worst movies of 2025 list. So, without further ado, let's talk about Minecraft. Yeah, it's basically a run-of-the-mill video game movie. Meaning that it sucks. I will admit that there are a few good ones out there, but most video game movies suck. But let's talk about a Minecraft movie. It's basically about 2 worlds and people from Earth use a portal to travel to that fucking world. Yeah, it's as generic as it sounds. Now I'm gonna talk about the characters, starting with Garrett Garrison, played by Jason Momoa. Good fucking god, where do I start with this guy? This guy is a loser, a complete fucking loser. He's the definition of a loser. And because of that, I wasn't rooting for him one bit. At the top of being a loser, he's also very fucking annoying. He says a lot of things that just aren't funny. The rest of the characters agree a lot of the things he says are not fucking funny. And you know, characters acknowledging that he isn't funny doesn't make it any funnier. He's losing his home, which I don't empathize with at all, as he is a loser. And I am somehow supposed to believe that this guy was the video game world champion a long time ago. And considering how much he fails at life, I don't fucking believe it at all. Now I'm gonna talk about Steve, played by Jack Black. You know, this guy has the opposite problem of Jared. Meaning he's too fucking perfect. I mean, seriously, man. He does everything so fucking flawlessly. And it's not entertaining to watch, it's just boring. And on top of that, he's a man-child. He isn't the fun kind of a man-child or the funny kind. He's just lame, that's all I can say. The villain of the movie, Gorsa, played by Rachel House, is as generic as you can get. She just wants to take over the world and destroy it. Yeah, she's just a generic villain, nothing else to say. Now, despite my negatives, there are some positives that I'm gonna say about the movie. But actually, there's only one major positive. And that's how the Minecraft world looks. It looks fucking beautiful. And I can tell that a lot of effort was put into making it look as detailed as possible. And wow, it was just gorgeous to look at. With that being said, it's sadly the only major positive. This movie is better as I expected, so I'm gonna give it the rating 2 middle fingers. Well guys, that's all I gotta say. Thank you for watching and have a great day.